Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. This should be a pretty quick video, and I'm serious this time. It can only be I suppose the shorter it is, the less important it is. So the longer it is, the more important it is, maybe. Anyway, you can have a think about that, see if that works out right or not. This one's about EGR gaskets. So for the people that are around the world cleaning their own EGR system, whether it's a 1KD or whatever, but this is 1KD information. You may find my video that basically what I'm saying is I'm very busy. I promised I'm going to be the man and be one person, and you know, we're not going to grow the business where it gets out of control and you never hear or see from me anymore. Might get a bit that way, but we're not going to put all these people on so that it's them and it just loses the whole personalized quality service thing. So I've put a video there basically saying, I've mentioned in a few videos that I can't sell you these EGR gaskets separately. I'm too busy to deal with people and transactions, whatever, for small things like, you know, they could be, you know, $6, $7, $8, $9 each type thing. So they're not cheap for what they are, but it's, look, you know, we can include them with the injector kit. That's what we do, but unfortunately not separately. Happy for you to buy them wherever separately. We've done a video providing all the part numbers so that you can, you know, see what you need, me explaining, and you'll see these type of gaskets. Now, this is a video to save you money, so I probably should have said it at the start so I got your attention. This is a video that's going to save you money because a lot of the gaskets you don't need. I want to be really clear. The reason we have them available in the injector kit is for the people that want them. Some people are really fussy, and I'm pretty fussy about stuff, but I'm also fussy about wasting money, wasting material, just waste in general. It doesn't even have to be about the money, but just waste. If there's nothing wrong with this gasket right here and we can reuse it, and there's evidence that hundreds of people have reused them with no problem, then why are we going to replace it? Especially if they want something like $8 for it or something like that. If it was $2, yeah, whatever. But I suppose it's not a big deal anyway. Now, these are just a few of the gaskets from the EGR intake gasket kit. There's a number of gaskets in total. It's kind of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to about 10, 11 gaskets on the intake EGR gasket kit, right? So that's a little add-on in our kit that I think's, I don't know, $77. I can't remember. Prices keep changing. I suppose if we had a bigger margin on everything, we wouldn't have to worry when prices change. But a lot of these things are just sort of add-ons to the injector kit. So what I want to say is, and I've said it in videos before, so a lot of you that are following the information closely will know this already. Now, these ones, this one here, they're a bit dirty, right? These two, that one and that one, they're both the same, and they're the ones that go either side of the EGR valve. I've never seen this black coating, right? They've got a black coating, so let's have a look at this one for a minute. See how it's, get around that way. See how it's, the coating's flaked off? So this, the reason I'm doing this video now is a really good opportunity to show you how the coating flakes off, right? I've never seen it on these, okay? I've never seen it on this one. The only time, there's one person I know that this one's damaged, and I'll tell you the reason why that happens. If it was left loose and it had a leak and there's constantly pressure blowing through there, it could damage it. So I'm sorry about that. That's what happened there. But other than that, never seen any of these damaged. Now, this is the one that goes under the EGR valve. Again, a bit dirty, but you can give it a wipe clean with a rag and just reuse it. Give these tabs a little bend like that, which you do with the new ones anyway, maybe, so they clip on the bottom of the EGR valve. And there's others as well. My point is, to be quite honest, you could probably reuse this one, because notice where it's flaked off, right? And I say this because a lot of people do. I hear of people all the time. They even reuse inlet manifold gaskets, right? Now, this is the problem we've got. Let's go over and have a look at one. Here's one that's brand new, but sometimes, all right, so it looks beautiful, doesn't it? Look, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is why we do our little quality control check, right? Beautiful. Well, except for that part there. It got folded at some point and it's damaged. So look, quality control fail. It's out of here, right? Anyway, back to what we're talking about. Point is, at the sealing area there, the coating's still there. Let's turn it over. On both sides, really, where it's making contact. It's not the best though, is it? That's why, if you watch the video where I talk about the parts and what gaskets you need, any of the videos in the VIP group talking about and showing you how to replace injectors, I'll say, This one is the one you need. Absolutely, 100%. I've got a number of videos on YouTube, in groups, here and there, been telling you for years, 100% you need this one. All the rest of them, you can reuse them if you like. Give them a clean check and reuse them. You know, 1 in 1,000, you might need to replace it for whatever reason. Never found one leaking, never seen one damage, right? See what I mean? It was going to be a quick video. We're already at 5 minutes. Want to be really clear, that one, you could get lucky, okay? There's a number of that have come off cars that are okay, but I would say at least half of them have got some sort of flaking. This one's particularly bad. As I said, it made for a good example, right? Really sort of flaked off, right? Now, if I remember correctly, I haven't got it in front of me, this wasn't planned because it's in the other video. I think it's 26171-30050, right? Going by memory, okay? That's the one you need. But I suggest you go watch all the other videos. The EGR clean one, search full detail EGR clean and you'll find that one. And if you want the gaskets, search EGR cleaning gaskets, whatever, on our channel, and you will find the information you need. Now, some other little bonus information. If you do want to contact me to grab that injector kit, that's fine. Awesome. The way to contact me is a text message with your full name, okay, with your vehicle details, so either Prado or Hilux, what year it is, how many Ks it's done. That'll about do, and I will get back to you, most likely with a video with some information so you can work out what you need. Okay, I'll just quickly mention it. The base injector kit includes injectors, it includes fuel pipes. Of course, as we've said, new injectors, new pipes, for a lot of reasons, not just because the workshop manual and Toyota said so. I've got my own reasons. New injectors, new pipes, valve cover gasket, nozzle holder seals, the top solenoid seals, particularly on the older vehicles, not the new ones, if they're soft and everything. More detail in other videos. And the 5 return line gaskets. That's your base injector kit. Then you've got a couple of add-ons, right? You've got an add-on map filter, you've got an add-on EGR intake gasket kit, which is kind of what we're looking at, but this is about half the gaskets, there's more. And you've got, of course, what else have you got? You've got our little extras kit, which is the moly coat, the ultra grey, and there's a couple of things in there that we lend you if you can return them. You know, caps, the dowel, the crow's foot, the little 17mm crow's foot, if we've got them in stock, guys. We can only lend them to if we got them in stock. We've got hundreds and thousands of these crow's foot tools, the dowels, the caps out there in Australia, and people said, yep, we'll send them back, of course, and people tell me, yep, that's the Australian way. But for some reason we've gone through, as I said, hundreds of them and they haven't come back. Doesn't bother me. It's a bit disappointing, but it's more, I've got 100 on back order at the moment. We can't get them, you know, without buying a whole toolkit. You can go and buy yourself a whole set for about $100. I think I like the King Chrome set. I haven't got the King Chrome set. I've got the Sid Chrome set. It does the job. I ground a little bit off the 17. But I have not used a 17 yet, but I've always admired the 17mm King Chrome crow's foot. So if you want to buy yourself a set, I reckon you should be able to get a set of 3/8 drive metric for about $100. If you can get it for less than that, I'll be actually keen to see in the comments if you've got that or you're going to price it up. Please reply to this video. Yep, I got the 7mm crow's foot King Chrome set, and then when you've used it, yeah, used it, worked well, it didn't hit on. It's a bit slimmer than some of the others. There's all slightly different designs. I haven't used one, but I like the look of it, and from my experience, I believe it would be the one. Anyway, guys, that's EGR gasket C with all that bonus info as well. Bada bing. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe and turn the bell on, because otherwise you're going to miss out on all the even better information that's coming your way. And you've got some homework to do in searching and checking back some other videos related to EGR cleaning, EGR gaskets. All right, guys, we're out of here. If you got something out of that, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Catch you soon. See ya.